Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and today I thought we would pack some birthday mail that I am going to be sending out to a crafty friend. Now, I am not going to post this video until after I'm sure she's already received the package and opened it, so I am filming this ahead of time, and I'm going to keep that part a secret for her. But anyway, if you guys will remember, a couple weeks back I had Elisa's craft room haul, and near the end of that video I had a little Snoopy picture at the bottom of the screen covering something up. And that was because this was in that video from my sister Lisa that I wanted to share with a crafty friend. So I didn't want that to be shown on my channel. So I was at Lisa's house and I saw this Kawaii Kitties Learn to Draw cat book. And I said to her, oh my gosh, I want that book. That would be perfect for one of my crafty friends on YouTube. And she says, why don't you just take it? I said, no, Lisa, I don't want to take your book. She says, I've got 2 copies. And she pulled out a second copy. So she gave this one to me, and with the intent that I give it to my crafty friend. So I'm not going to actually go through the whole book, but you can see there are color pages, there are drawing pages. There's just all kinds of stuff in here. There's like little funny character pages. It's just a cute, cute book. So this book is going to be the first item to go in the box. So I've got my box prepped right here. And I'm just going to take a little bit of shred, sprinkle some of that in there. A little bit of white shred. Oops. Get that in there. Okay, and then I have a little bit of these pink jemmies that came from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to drop some of those in there for some glitz. So pretty. I hardly ever use these, so I'm glad I have the opportunity to do it today. So the first thing going in the box is this absolutely cute Kawaii Kitties Learn to Draw book. And then I also had in my stash this pack of stickers. I believe I got these on Temu some time ago, and they are all, who is this, Kuromi, I think? But there are 2 full sheets of these absolutely adorable Hello Kitty character stickers, so that's going to go in there. And then I picked this bag up at the Dollar Tree, and I thought, this is so cute. It's a pencil bag with a zipper top, and I love the colors. I think it's going to be perfect for this crafty friend, and we're going to pack some goodies in there. So the first thing I have is this little line journal, and I think I also got this on Temu some time ago. I don't have a lot of Hello Kitty stuff in my stash, but I do once in a while pick up something and squirrel it away for just such an occasion. So I'm going to tuck that into that zipper pouch. I also have, let's see here. Oh, I see. I have a pack of stickers here. There's 1, 2, 3 packs of a variety of Hello Kitty stickers, and I just tied them together with some of this chenille yarn that I got from the Dollar Tree some time ago, so that's going to go in the little bag. I also have, oh, here we go. I have a pack of stickers that I put in this little flower bag. Those are also Hello Kitty stickers. And then I've got this pink lip gloss with a pom-pom on it, so I thought that was really cute. So that's going to go in there. And I have a pack of these cute little, they're hair clips, but I think they're perfect for like clipping on pages and as bag toppers and things, and they came in this cute little bag, so that will go in there. And the last thing I'm going to tuck in there is just this little tchotchke. I don't really know what it is. It's one of the Hello Kitty characters, and it has a little inner tube there and a little sailor hat. And this has been in my stash for some time, so I thought that would be cute to tuck in there. So we're going to zip that up. So that's all set. And let's see here. Now I put together a little heart-shaped embellishment box, and I just glued a bow on there. And actually there's a bow on the box already, but I put that on there because I like those bows. And I've just got a variety of things. We've got some Hello Kitty things. This is a little keychain. There's butterflies in here. There's charms. There's these cute little animal sunglasses. Underneath, there are more Hello Kitty charms in there. Here's some more Hello Kitty charms. I've got some fuzzy pieces that can go on beadable pens. We've got butterflies and cakes and cookies and ice creams. We've got bows. I mean, just a variety of really, really fun stuff in there. So I think she will like that. So I'll close that up. And I think I'm actually going to put this away. Okay. And then that can go right there. And then I think you will remember that I shared this paper pad that I got on Etsy when I did some Hello Kitty bows, which are coming in just a moment. So I am going to gift her all of the 6x6s that I printed out. And I did use the Scrap Diva belly band that came out. I think this was probably in June or May. And this is the oval shaped one. And I just used some of the Hello Kitty paper on there, as well as some glitter cardstock. And just added that, so she has that as a nice little packet. Oops, let's see. That can go right there. And as I said, I do have those Hello Kitty bows. And I'm going to tuck that in this little bag that I have here. I mean, this is this is a really cute package of goodies. And I know that my crafty friend is going to love it. And I didn't make a lot of this stuff. A lot of it is store-bought, but it's very cute nonetheless, and I think she will enjoy. And the last thing I have, well, I actually have one more thing, but I've got another one of those little bags, and then I've got this beadable pen, and I actually made this pen, I think it was in March, for a Happy Crafter Shop project share as a guest designer, and I think it just goes great with this whole package of goodies, so I'm going to gift her that. So I'm just going to tuck that in here. And I don't want my bow to get mangled up, so let me just get that in there nicely and zip that closed. Okay, so that's that. And then I am going to add a little bit more shred. Okay, and maybe a few more of these jemmies on the top, which will probably end up down in the bottom anyway, but that's okay. And I'm going to close that up. Okay. And I do have a card for her, so I'm going to leave that right there and add the rest of my shred. I just had a little bit left in the bag for this pink shred, so I thought this was a good time to use that up. A few more little jemmies on there. And there you have it. That is my package all packed up for a crafty friend, and you probably saw the name on the card there, so you know who this is going to. But like I said, I will not be posting this until after she has received it. So yeah, I'm glad you guys could stick around and see all the goodies I made for her, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.